This is Linda with Hands That Cook, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a 3-cup pound cake. I bought these little 3-cup bundt pans on Amazon, and I just thought they would be great for a little gift that you want to send to somebody special, or for some special reason, or at Christmas time for your neighbors. And I bought 4 of them, and on each of the packed 3-cup bundt pans there's the recipe for a 3-cup pound cake. And what I did, because I got 4 of them, I took this recipe and I multiplied it by 4. So this made 1 whole pound cake. Now in the bowl, I got started early. I put 1 stick of butter, that's 8 tablespoons, and 3 cups of sugar, 8 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and I mixed it up. Now the next thing I'm going to put in is 1 1/3 cups of sour cream. The recipe calls for yogurt, but I don't have any yogurt, so I'm using sour cream. I'm going to turn this off so I can do a better job here. One and 1/3 cups of sour cream. That's the 1/3 of a cup. Here's the 1 cup. And you start off with 2 bowls, a dry bowl and a wet bowl. In the dry bowl I put, and this is for 4, 4 bundt, little 3-cup bundt pound cakes. In the dry bowl I put 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda. And when this is all mixed in, I'm going to mix in this flour mixture. Preheat your oven to 350. I'm going to put this entire 3 cups of all-purpose flour, the teaspoon of salt, and the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to put it all in there. Here's my vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now this is for a whole entire cheesecake, pound cake. So I guess I can say this is a sour cream pound cake because I didn't use yogurt. I used sour cream. Alright, I told you to preheat your oven to 350, and now I'm going to tell you to either use Crisco solid and dust your 3-cup bundt pan and flour it, or you can use Baker's Joy, which is something I have. And that's what I'm going to do. When I get all these in the little bundt pans, I'll bring you back. Alright, I got the 4 of them about an inch from the top, maybe 3/4 of an inch. And then you tap it on the counter a few times to get any air bubbles that are in there out. And you're going to put it in the 350-degree oven for anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. And I'll bring you back when these are done. Why, hello. My little mini pound cakes are done. And it depended on where I put them in the oven, how brown they got. But they're done, and it took 30 minutes. Now, I forgot to tell you in the beginning that every time you bake, especially a pound cake, you've got to use large or extra large eggs. And everything you put in there must be room temperature, unless it's a cold oven pound cake. 30 minutes. These have cooled off. I'm going to get one on a cake plate, and I'll bring you back when I get Sam. Well, here's my little cake. Whoop. There we go. Whoop. It's tender, it's moist. I'm going to put a few strawberries on it. And we're going to wait for Sam. Sammy, come on.
You're backing up, you're waiting on me. Yeah, you're backing up, you're waiting on me. I've been ready to try it.
You want a fork or a spoon?
A fork.
Alright, just
Where's the Cool Whip?
I don't have any Cool Whip. I got strawberries.
Well, that'll be okay. If you had Cool Whip, it'd be a strawberry shortcake, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Well, where do you want me to eat at?
Right there.
Well, you know it's going to be delicious, don't you?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-mm.
Well, I do. Pound cake and strawberries, what's not to be delicious about? Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm. It's got that little crust on the outside,
Mm-hmm.
and the inside is real tender. Yes,
Is it moist?
all moist as it can be. Of course, the strawberries add a little to it anyway.
Whoop.
What happened?
Part of your strawberries fell.
Well, it's delicious.
Well, I'm so glad to hear that.
Well, what's the name of this pound cake? Does it have
It's just a sour cream pound cake.
Well, I like it. Yeah, they'll really like this. An excellent summertime dessert.
Mm-hmm.
You know, especially. But we had some Cool Whip in the freezer over there.
Yeah, but it's frozen.
That's true. Mmm. I don't know if I can eat all of it.
Well, it's small. It's not big.
Yeah, it's very, very good. I don't like to eat standing up. I like to sit down and eat.
Well, I'm glad to hear that.
Well, it evaporated.
Well, there's more where that came from. I made one for both of my daughters and one for the next door neighbor, and we're keeping this one. You want another piece?
We may have to keep the neighbors, reckon.
Do what?
We may have to keep the neighbor's cake. Well, where's the rest of it? No, that was plenty. Thank you.
All right, y'all.
Watch it, that cake's right behind you. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was.
Oh, get this other cake plate out from on top of the fridge.
What, that big one?
Yeah. Here it is, y'all.
What?
The cake.
Really, that's about the right size, isn't it?
For 3 of them, I hope.
What do you want me to do with this? Stand here and hold it?
No, you can put it in that chair. All right, y'all. Let me know if you like this idea and recipe. I'll put the recipe down below, but it'll probably be for one of these. So if you buy 4 like I did, just follow what I did on my recipe. Thank you for coming in today and spending time with me. I always appreciate it. So until next time, you all take care, and may God bless every one of you.